Hello there, my name's Andy Garbett, I'm with Graitec, and I'm going to be taking you through this tutorial of how to deploy the Revit PowerPack using group policy. First of all, we're going to go into Active Directory and we're going to create ourselves an OU. Now what we're doing here is going to be very generic. Obviously your own systems are going to be configured in a specific way, but this will take you through the steps that are essential for the PowerPack itself. So if we just create a test OU, we'll call this the Revit PowerPack Deployment OU. And in this OU, I'm going to add a computer account that we would want the software to be installed upon, and a user account. Now the first part of this tutorial is for the actual installation of the software. The second part is for the activation, which is carried out in the user part of the group policy, but we'll cover that in a separate tutorial. Okay, so those are in there, that's all set up. If we now go to Group Policy Management, that OU's there. What we need to do is we'll just create a new policy. We'll call this the Revit PowerPack Deployment Policy. And we're just going to link it to that OU. Excellent. Okay, so let's edit this policy now. If you go to the computer configuration, software settings, software installation, and then right click and select new package. The PowerPack comes in two parts, the PowerPack MSI and the Advance BIM designers. Now just one thing to bear in mind, as would apply with any software that you deploy this way, you've got to select it from a network share that's going to be accessible from the client machines and the client user accounts. You can't point at the MSI through a local drive. But that being said, select the Revit PowerPack setup. Need you to click on Advanced because there's one of the additional settings that we need it to take notice of. Just give that a moment. You'll be presented with this dialog box. Go to the Deployment tab, Advanced, and the checkbox we need to tick is the Ignore language when deploying this package. That one's done. Same process again, but we need to add the Advanced BIM designers. Advanced once more. Now this one will take a few seconds to come through, but it will appear. That's it. And again, just go to the Deployment tab, Advanced button, and ignore the language. Okay. Okay. So they will apply when the machine has had a GP update and has rebooted. That concludes this part. Thank you.